Alright guys, I just passed this post office truck and I don't see a license plate on the front or the back. That's really strange. Huh. I'll show you. There's nothing on the back either. Alright, look at that. No license plate on the back either. I've never really looked that closely. But there's definitely no license plate on the front or the back. If anybody knows why that is, leave a comment below. It's the first time I've noticed. Alright guys, I just thought I'd bring that to your attention. Okay, so hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.